In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text to a Canva poster. Now, this right here is a template made by Canva, and if we come over to the home page, come to templates, type in poster just here, we have lots of different ones that we can choose. Now I clicked on this one and that's what I'm using just here. But to add text to this, we can actually do this a couple of different ways. Now with the text which is already on the canvas, if we want to use this, we can simply click on there, click on duplicate, and then we can add our own text. Now that's one way that we can add text to this Canva poster. Another way is by coming over here to the left hand side where it says text. Now if we click on there, we have a couple of different options with add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little body of text. If we click on here, we can now change this to any text that we want. But if we want to change this to the same font or change to a completely different font, what we want to do is click onto that text, come up to here to where we see the font name. If we click on there, we have lots of different fonts to choose from. If we want to match this up, we can click on one of the originals. We can see that it's this font just here. So if we click back on there, we can then add that like that, and then it's the same font. Now what we can also do is just choose any single font that we want to from the Canva list. So if I click on this one instead, that has now been changed to that font. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add text to a Canva poster. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.